involved, I mean, like millions of bolts and millions of nuts, assembling all the materials. 45,000 tonne of modules shipped to Australia. It's very impressive. With this project, what I've seen is there's been some really good planning and organisation. The yard's been very, very well laid out, and it's very systematic. What's being produced in tonnes against the man hours is quite exceptional. Schedule-wise, we're going very, very well. So we just got to keep it up and keep going, and we'll get there. There's no doubt about it.
With all the standards we have in place with Bechtel and our QGC policies, all the specifications are met. But there's always that little bit extra which we've learned from previous projects, things that we need to witness and have in place.
OSU is critical on the modules. There's a great team in Thailand currently going through all that. They look from the construction side of things. We go in with operations, and we verify and try to fix up as much as possible in Thailand to minimise the workload back here in Curtis Island.
We've got an award this week of 2 million man hours LTI free, and we're more or less now at 3 million man hours. There's a big effort gone in by the contractor and QGC as well as a team, working together to spot hazards and show the workers where those hazards are before it's too late.
Modules are checked over for aqueous requirements in Thailand by Bechtel, and then they're loaded on the barges and transported to Curtis Island.
These are journeys that perhaps in earlier times would have been treated perhaps with a little bit more caution, but now I think we've got the technology to have support to undertake these journeys very safely.
In preparation for the first module arrival, a lot of work was done by the key stakeholders. We developed a very detailed plan together on how the movement was going to take place, and that was executed almost down to the minute.
As modules arrive on Curtis Island, they'll be installed, and they're installed by sequence. The sequence grows month by month, and the plant grows together quite quickly.
When the first models arrived the other day, it was a really exciting time for everybody. It's the highlight, it's the start. So you can see skyline, you can see things going up in the air. That's what it's all about. The first module, the first piece of kit, and then the ship. That means we've succeeded.